Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever you're watching us from. This is Christine on Immaculate Show. This day, today, this morning, at whatever time you're going to be watching this video, we are saying bravo, we love you so much, we love you. This is the lady that said, I hate poverty and we cannot sit on a round table with it. However, poverty is about your mindset, about your attitude, and what you do. Have you ever been lonely? I know the answer is yes. You know the effects of being lonely. Do you know the aftermath of being lonely? Yes, you know. This video is going to show you that being lonely can make you earn a lot of money. I'm not saying you who is lonely, but you can earn money from the lonely people that want you to chat with them. There's a lot of money that is there lying, and people, individuals and companies plus websites are there to give money for you to make sure that you chat, you make people feel comfortable, you make people feel there is hope tomorrow, there is focus. What is this method? Before we dive into this method, please, I would love you to go down and hit the subscription button if you haven't subscribed. And if you know you've been already our member, thank you very much. We love you so much. And if you're our royal viewer, please, we really say thank you. May God bless you for us. We are there because you're there. If we are not there, if you're not there, we would not be here. So, what is this method we are talking about? It's about being lonely. It's about wanting that fantasy, wanting an ear to listen to you. This is called remotelyforyou.com. This website, remotelyforyou.com, people have been earning there a lot of millions. Whenever you are, you can earn from this one. How did I find this? On this weekend, I felt I wanted something new. I felt I wanted the ear to hear my story. I wanted someone to talk to me. So when I was searching and I said, oh God, I want to talk to somebody who doesn't know me, who will not take a rumor, who will not go and talk about my story. You know, these days, whether you're a man of God, whether there's a woman of God, the moment they know your story, it will not take long. It will be used against you, or you'll find it in papers. But today, I'm bringing you a method, this remotely for you, which I discovered this weekend after a big search. I'm not there to earn money, but it came by, and I found out people have used it, and you can also use it. Remotelyforyou.com is a platform whereby you can go there and become a chat operator and work from anywhere in this world. You will say you'll be participating. This one you can participate from anywhere in the whole world, but the people who are benefiting, who are lonely, or who are in this category are from America. Those are the people who are going to chat with you. So how do you do this? Before you know how to do this, you have to know the requirements. The requirements, you have to be above 18 years. You're going to say, how will they know that I'm above 18 years? They've been given a system to verify your identity card, verify your identity that indeed you are 18 years and above. And this one also will be affecting your payments. They have to make sure that the person who is going to receive the money is 18 years and above. So the second one to know, you'll have to have your own PC, your own phone, and your own internet. At any time, you are the one who is responsible for it. And there you go, you start doing it. So how do we start now? That is the question. I know it is itching you. Okay, how do I chat with these lonely people? One, there are 3 steps you take. The first step, you're going to apply. When you are applying, they'll give you a form whereby you find their first name, second name, email, and also confirmation or signature to adhere or you confirm to their privacy terms and conditions. You're going to say, why are they making me sign? We'll come to know about it. There are 4 so important things for you to understand. First of all, this method is anonymous. When I say anonymous, it means you're going to be dealing with off camera, off voice, off record. It is only texting. So this one, that's why they want you to confirm that the privacy will be there. You will not be seen, you will not record anything. It's good, I loved it for that. 2, you'll work independently. It's up to you. You determine, when do I want to work? When do I want to answer, when do I want to receive these messages, and I start chatting with these people. So there is full flexibility. Whether you're in a village, whether you're in town, whether you're on vacation, you can do that. Then you earn more. Get to know that you will earn more on this one when you work more hours. Some people are earning a lot of money, like 100 to 300 per week, but this one depends on solely how do you exactly, how many hours do you invest in? Do you invest in 2 hours? Are you receiving like 30 messages? Are you replying? Whom are you chatting with? You also get to know that it is solely purposely for you to help someone out there who is lonely, to get someone to talk to. I told you, no one has not felt that, drunk on that cup of being lonely. But thank God for the Americans, they have this platform that you can chat with them. They are ready to pay. And how do you chat them? Why they want 18 years and above? It's because it is involves a lot of things. It can involve fantasies. It can involve your dreams. It can involve politics, sports. So that one, it needs a mature person that is going to do this. You can see the interface here. The interface, first of all, when you go there, you have to make sure you fill in the whole form. After filling in the whole form, you go down and start applying for your process. So in this one, I know the next thing is asking me, what about the payments? The payments solely depends on the messages that you're going to reply. But most of them, when I was checking, I was looking through their reviews and people who are doing it, I saw that majority of the people are earning from $100 to 200 to 300, depending on the traffic, depending on the season of the day, and depending on the messages that you're going to reply. But there are other experts, the ones who have gone a bit far, they earn 3,000 per month, that is in dollars. So you can sit down and say, I don't have a job or I have a job, so let me continue and make this one part of my side gig, and I do it. So this platform, it is there. You can use it today and tomorrow you don't use it. You can decide to be paid the way you want, but majorly they pay weekly. And when you convert it to monthly, it will be very good and very beautiful. I went ahead, I always want to see, are there people who are using this before I bring it to my platform, before my people know about it? Yes, I found out there are many people who have resorted to make it their full-time job, and others are making it their part-time job. Which method really? Let me repeat it for you. Let us again talk about it. This method is called remotelyforyou.com. So the moment you feel you can do this, unmark you and very sensitive. Know that you have to be above 18 years. Know that you have to take care of your gadgets. You are the one to pay. You're not going to ask them for that. The beautiful thing I found out, they will train you. When you finish like this application and your application is considered, they don't need you to have prior prior experience like what they are doing in other jobs. No, you don't need any experience. The moment you finish like this, your application, and you're called, one, they will start training you. There is stage one, there is stage two, there is stage three. So all those, and there is stage four. And there is expectation of every week, what are you supposed to finish, what are you supposed to cover, and they will be supervising you, they will be telling you, even they will train you before you start chatting, what are the expected outcome, what are the expected messages do they expect that you might need, because these are the lonely people that sometimes they will have to, they can go for the fantasy. And how do you prevent them? I don't recommend that, but if you feel you want to take up this job, you can go and apply and do it. What I wanted to talk about here, this one is solely a bit of there's by the way, there's a disclaimer here. I'm not in support of it, but there are some people who might earn money from this one, especially people who are not earning and you have access to internet. Why not do it? You're mature enough, you are wise, you can know how to handle it. Most importantly, let me tell you the truth here. If you don't know English, good English, you shouldn't apply. because they want people who can speak good English, who can write good English. Because if you can't speak good English, it means you cannot write good English. And to add on this, know that you're going to be chatting citizens who speak English purposely. So they need you in your speaking. You have to be in your writing, in your texting. You have to be writing good grammar, good spellings. No, you'll not be like some of us who, who don't know how. Sometimes you have to be very attentive, seriously, for you to make sure that you want to make this money. So what do you think about this method of pay or of earning money? Do you think you can earn something from this method, from this website? Yes, you can earn, because there are some of you and some of us who are sitting chatting and chatting without being paid. What about if you chat with these ones? There's a disclaimer. You have to make sure the privacy is maintained. No face, no voice, no video. Thank you very much. If you know this is good for you, or if you want to appreciate that what we're doing is great, it made me discover this because I was lonely that weekend. Now you can also, that's a joke. You can also try it if you feel you want to make some money out of it. Love you all.